I am Rohit PVR, a second year medical student at Madurai Medical College, and I have recently been into reading a lot. So I thought, why shouldn't I buy the Kindle, the all new Kindle? And this is the unboxing video. As we all know, the Amazon cover is pretty dope. It is really packed well from Amazon. I have posted the links for all these in the description box, so make sure you check them out. So Kindle is basically this reading device, and you can be downloading various ebooks from the Amazon, and you can directly import them into your Kindle also. The reason I bought Kindle is I have recently transformed my entire life into paperless reading. So I have been using iPad for quite some time. During my 6th standard and 7th standard, I used to be reading a lot, and obviously because of the NEET preparation, actually lost my reading habits. So thanks to this lockdown, I have in fact improved my reading habits again. So this Kindle, I believe, is a good start for better reading habits. So the cover looks pretty dope. It is not in the best shape, but however it is nice. And I have bought this Kindle Paperwhite. There is also Kindle OSS, and there is also this cheaper model. But apparently this Kindle Paperwhite is like the best option, the best bang for the buck. So I went with this. The OSS seems to be a pretty decent one, but however it is too costly. Like the features it offers doesn't really match the cost. Okay, alright, this looks dope, I'm not going to lie. Like it is just black and white, so it's just aesthetic. You will be receiving these 4 things within the box. There is nothing left in this, and I'm pretty sure we can dispose this safely. Now coming to the most important thing, this is the cable. It is pretty long, but however I have so many of this in my home already, so this is equally pointless. Now coming to this beauty, behold. Okay, look at this. Oh my god, it is too good. Oh my god. And also it feels so amazing. It is so lightweight. It is too good. And this is the best part, like opening the cover is the best part. Look at it. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, it's too good. This has a button at the bottom for on or off, and this obviously is the charging port. Alright, now let me switch on this beauty. This beauty is quite slow. So here it is asking me to select the languages. Obviously UK. This thing takes a lot of time. Let me just fast forward this like I have been doing till now. Okay, now I'm supposed to connect this to the Wi-Fi. I have logged in with my Amazon account as well, and now I have registered my Kindle to my Amazon account. And it is asking me to connect to the phone number. I'll do that later. So it is giving me these basic introductions about how Kindle actually works, the basics of Kindle, like the ways by which I can swipe through, the ways by which I can move through all these things. Now we are finally inside Kindle. So this is how the home page of Kindle looks. I have been using Kindle for almost a month before this video is released, so I have a good idea of how actually Kindle is. It is really good, but most of the YouTube videos I have been seeing recently were like praising Kindle way too much. It is not like game changing. It is most certainly not game changing, but it is definitely a very good investment. It has definitely made reading very easy. But even without Kindle, I was reading pretty consistently. It is a very good investment. I definitely don't regret buying Kindle. It is pretty dope. And now finally, it is the case I was talking about. The Kindle case is just way too costly. So I have bought my own case from Amazon from some random company. I love blue. I just love blue, and also this color, this particularly dark blue color, this just looks aesthetic. Whenever I'm reading Kindle, I'll remove this case and I'll be reading Kindle. And once I'm done with that, I will stick this Kindle back into its case. So that works really well. So by this, my Kindle will always be safe. I'll make sure it is safe. But when I'm reading, the Kindle's weight alone is what I'll be having in my hand. The plus point with Kindle is that it is lightweight. So having a case along with Kindle demolishes the whole fact, right? So I'll always remove the case. There is this one amazing plus point. We can get tons and tons of free books, and we can get books at the very moment we want to buy something. So this is definitely a very good investment. The final thing, would I recommend buying a Kindle? I will recommend, but I can't really say that this is the best. I won't say that, but it is definitely a very good investment. So that's it for today. If you want to know more about Kindle, let me know in the comments down below. And also I make videos about academics. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, then do subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.